Okay, guys, we are back. And so I just wanted to take you really quickly and just show and just really talk to you about how I actually plan out my month from a content perspective. So the first thing that I think is important is for me to understand for the week when I want to have things scheduled and what I actually need to film or to create to actually make sure that's done, especially because I don't have a lot of time, right? And so I have very small pockets of time that I need to record, that I need to edit, and that I need to get everything uploaded. So last week, because my channel here is so new, last week what I did was I uploaded 3 days a week, right? And then I did shorts basically every day. So this week, what I said is I at least want to see how I will feel if I do 4 uploads during the week, right? And so I will be uploading on Monday, which is tomorrow, on Wednesday, and on Friday. Um, and I don't like to count Sunday, and I'll upload tonight. So that's going to be 4 YouTube videos that I'm going to upload. And so what I'm doing, guys, is I'm actually just writing it down in my planner. You can see here that I have just a YT for YouTube, a YT for YouTube, a YT for YouTube, a YT for YouTube. So that is exactly what I'm doing, okay? And the reason why is because that just keeps me focused, like, okay, what is it that I need to do? And when do I need to make sure things are up? Everything else in my business is honestly almost scheduled for the rest, close to the rest of the year, which is a great thing. But I have to just stay on top of my analytics and see what I need to tweak and things of that nature. So for this week, I'm going to be uploading those 4 times. I will also stay on top of my shorts and have those uploaded. And what I'm going to do for my shorts is 3 uploads per day. So I have today's shorts actually done, which is Sunday. So I know that I need 3. And I just put YS for YouTube Shorts. And I need those created, which I'm a little behind, honestly, on that. So those I definitely need to prioritize today. Saturday, nothing. Sunday, I'm going to pencil in because that is where I do my planning. Now, for Sunday, I'm basically planning at least a week or 2 ahead. The goal for me is to get a month ahead, but it's very hard to do. But that is really the goal, right? And so just because of the amount that I'm cranking out right now, just because I'm a new channel growing, to be honest with y'all, okay? And I just want to, I just want to show up for y'all. So that's what we're doing. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on today. The other thing, though, that I need to make sure that I do is that I have my weekly newsletter that is sent out. And my weekly newsletter will be sent out on Tuesdays. So I actually need to get that scheduled because that I have not scheduled. And so I'm just writing that in on the days that it needs to be scheduled. And that is a letter that just goes out to people who subscribe to my email list. So that is that. So now what I'm going to start doing is just working on these shorts. I've already recorded my YouTube videos. So I got to work on the shorts for this week just to get them out of the way. And I think we should be in pretty good shape. Yeah, I think we should be in pretty good shape. So I will share with you guys just a little bit of an overview of how the calendar looks. And then if you have any questions, make sure that you leave them. But I'll just do just a couple of quick minute of just me actually writing everything down so that you guys can see it in real time, okay? And again, as I'm doing this, just let me know if you have any questions. So what I do is I actually plan out in a very messy, old-fashioned way my videos, everything here. and my content. So as I'm thinking of ideas and recording, it's just very easy for me to do. So that's basically what I'm doing now. So I definitely have my newsletters. I have my YouTubes. I'm not filling it in for the whole month, only for this week, because I'm, again, just seeing what works at this point for my channel, and then I could just change it at any other time, right? So right now I'm really just focused on this week for August. So newsletter. I definitely would do planning on this day. I may have to move my planning because I'm probably gonna go out of town. And then what I like to do, guys, is over here in this section is a to-do section. And I like to take this section and just kind of write out my to-do, my top 5 really priorities for the week for my business. To make sure that I have that done. And that it can be specific to my content, but it doesn't have to be. It's really just my top 5. So my top 5 from a content perspective is definitely for my blog. I need to get my thumbnails created, or like the images for my blogs, because they weren't done before. And then I also need to get a template for my newsletters. I need to create that. And I need to really hire, do some VA stuff. Okay, so those are the top, and they're all honestly content related, to be honest with you guys. And then what I do is I go ahead and for each week that I end, this is something I'm starting to do. I'm writing out where I am with my analytics. So today is what, the 4th, and I just go to my analytics and I like to just write out where I am. Okay. And then I'll go over to my Instagram and I'll write out that as well. Which I'm going to switch up what I'm doing on IG a little bit. 1K. Make sure you guys follow. This is my cleaning page for my Instagram. But we're about to start up again the coaching page. So you guys will see that very soon as well. All right. So with that being said, let me pull this back up. I think I'm going to end the video there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this style of video. I enjoyed making it. Let me know. Give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you guys subscribe, and I'll be happy to share a little bit more behind the scenes. I'll talk to you guys on my next video. I hope that you have an absolutely amazing week, and we'll talk soon. Cheers.